Also, ciao. Ciao.
Hey, let's go.
This is Fasching today. Fasching's atmosphere. Schau, brasilianische Atmosphäre da hinten. The Brazilian atmosphere behind there. The music sounds very Brazil. Yeah. Let's go. Komm. Ja? Willst du mal das Geld reintun? Ja, okay. Someone wants to put money.
Vielen Dank, thanks so much.
Gerne. Ja. Nice. Let's not forget, this is the home of Bayern Munich. FC Bayern store. Very famous for football. For all the Bayern Munich fans, come to the store when visiting Munich. Very famous, but I'm a Barcelona fan when it comes to Champions League. Bisschen näher rein. German, huh?
Ja.
Everywhere drums. We have to speak very loud in the crowd. Halt mal Kamera. Nicht too much drauf. Now, let me see what I can order. I think. And one more thing, show the price. You see? $22.98. In Switzerland, that's how much a McDonald's cost for one Big Mac menu. And here I made 2 menus. Crazy, huh?
Also entweder holen wir es da am Ding ab und bringen es da den Tisch mit oder die tun es am Tisch direkt zu uns.
Ja, müssen wir abholen. Wir haben keinen.
Ja, dann abholen.
Show. Okay. Successful. Now I take this.
Look.
Yes.
Gut.
Then we're good. Let's go get and wait for the food. So we are in Munich and we are not eating traditional food. We're eating only typical American food. This is no bratwurst and it's no beer. It's Coca-Cola and chicken. America in Bavaria. And this time, the chicken, big Mac chicken. First time trying it. Switzerland they don't have. I'm not always a food taster when it comes to vlogs, but let's try this. Do this. So, time to taste. Du halt das Essen, dann hast du mehr Saft.
Der Anspruch. Magst du probieren?
It's good with chicken flavor. It's basically McChicken meat. Tastes just like McChicken meat.
Ist gut?
Fries. And the cola zero. Zero sugar.
Ja. Ich mag lieber die normale.
Okay. Now we've tasted and we out. Now I've got nuns. Mein Linse. I've got some nuns with me, and I make a picture with the nuns, the holy nuns, die Nonnen auf Deutsch heißt das. Und sei gegrüßt, Schwestern.
Amen.
Amen, Amen. Und Dankeschön. Ein Slogan von mir, facing on the camera and introducing an area with the nuns of Munich. Also, ciao. Ciao. Now, let's continue. Found nuns in the McDonald's. Let's go.
Kannst du mich in die Hand nehmen?
Yeah. Let's explore the party mile. Let's move. Party, yeah. Hey, let's introduce the area, party area.
Hey, that's good.
So I didn't find a place to sit down and have a beer, so I buy a takeaway. at a simple store, which is a little cheaper. I think I'll end the vlog here now. The Munich vlog.